Samyuta Hastas, double hand gestures. Anjanischa, bowing. Kapotascha, shaking the stones. Karkata, crowd. Swastikastataha, road. Dola hasta, dancing dog. Pushpaputaha, arati. Utsanga, shoulders. Shivalingakaha, Lord Shiva. Katakavartanaschaiva, wearing a necklace. Kattari swastikastataha, branches of a tree. Shakatam, demon. Shanka, conch. Chakrecha, to destroy. Samputa, box. Pasha, enemy. Kilakau, friends. Matsya, fish. Kurma, tortoise. Varahascha, pig. Garudo, birds. Nagabandakaha, snakes. Katva, chair. Berundakakyascha, lovebirds. Avaihitataivacha, playing games. Chaturvimshati Sankhyayaha ka samyut katitakaraha. These are the 24 types of Samyuta Hastas.